Wow, wow, ow, 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 ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's thelondontayy coming to you today with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2 feed-in braids with the designs on the side and the designs in the middle. It is little girl friendly, so you can do that same style on your child. First steps first, I'm going to use a shine and jam, and that's going to smooth her hair out and define the parts. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to start her hair off of blow dried hair and of course clean hair with just some leave-in conditioner in it. I'm going to part her hair down the middle all the way from the front to the back and define the parting with the shine and jam. Next I'm going to do 2 parts on every side of the middle part. So it's going to be one on the left side and one on the right side. I'm going to define those parts as well with the shine and jam. Every part that I part, I define with any type of jam, shine or jam, which helps define the parting and makes you get clean parting. So I'm going to do that on the left and the right side. I'm going to braid it out the way. Next, starting on the left side of her hair, I'm going to part a box part coming from her eyebrow all the way back to the middle of her head and then stopping a little past her ear. And that's going to be placed for the other braids. And I'm just going to braid the remaining out of the way and go ahead and do the other side the same way. After that, I'm going to go back to the other side and apply some more shine jam onto the front and onto the sides and in between all the parting. I'm going to do one parting going up into like a little curve shape, and I'm going to do 3 braids on that side. If you don't know how to cornrow, this is actually not a cornrow tutorial, but I can make a separate slowed down version of how to cornrow. But in the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just doing 3 cornrows, stopping where a little past the ear and slightly curving upwards. And I didn't add any braiding hair to none of these braids that are going to be design braids. And next are the design braids in the middle. This is going to be really hard to explain, so I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing. And everything that I'm doing on the left side, I'm also going to do on the right side of the parting. So once you can see on the left side, you'll see everything that I'm doing, and you'll know what I'm doing on the right side as well. Well, I think that should be all. After I do the designs in the middle, I'm just going to combine all those braids, cross them over where I want to cross over, and do 2 feed-in braids to the back. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.